This out. Let's break down this AMC play. Why did I call it a play? I told everybody in the Wealth Squad, yo, this is what I'm doing. This is what I see with AMC, and this is why we're about to hop in it, right? This is why I'm about to hop in it. If you're going to ask man or woman, you could follow if you choose. So boom, AMC finds their floor. I'll pull up the chart right here. So AMC finds their floor, right? So if you watch Stock Market Gems and my core Stock Market Gems, you'll see that we're going to use the 20-day moving average as the trigger to buy. So when the price crosses the 20-day moving average, this is when we're going to buy. But also, like I teach in my core Stock Market Gems, you can jump the gun and you can buy before the 20 if you know where the floor is and you understand where you can get stopped out at, right? So as long as you know where you place your stop, then and you understand your risk, then you could jump the gun. So that's what we did. I jumped the gun on AMC. So we bought at $2.23. The first price target was $4.50. Now the price target is based on where the stock has been before. So it's been to $4.50 before, right? So that's the first price target, previous high. So like Gerald Peters says, price has memory. All right, the second price target is $7. Why? Price has memory. It's been to $7 before, right? So we understand our stop. We understand when we're buying. We understand what our target is. So now we know our risk, our reward. And I'm gonna show you how it's gonna play out. If John, let's say John got $500 for this trade. If John hops in this trade with $500, what does his return look like, right? So I'll add on top of that. So my price target was $7. What's going on Reddit and Wall Street Bets and all that good stuff, they got their own thing going on. But what they did was, you know, they're going head to head with these hedge fund managers, and they gave us the boost to take the price all the way to, you know, it went up to like $24. So we caught that momentum. But that's why I'm just explaining to you why we got into play, why I call this for the Wealth Squad, because this is what we do in the Wealth Squad. We build these whiteboards and we show, you know, look, I'm getting in this play, I'm getting in this play. This is the trade. Now, these are just swing trades. This isn't options. This isn't futures. This isn't anything. What some people in the Wealth Squad do is they see my whiteboard or they see, okay, I'm going into AMC, and they might buy an option for it because the momentum is going up, right? And sometimes I might even hop into options myself, and I'll tell everybody in the Wealth Squad, you'll get a notification. I say, yo, I bought, you know, this stock or this option. This is my target price. This is my expiration date, all that good stuff, right? So the notification comes on. We tag everybody. But this is why we got an AMC. Now let's walk through a scenario with John and his $500. Now we about to go see what John is working with, all right? So check this out. This is the stock. This is the price. This is the target. This is the stop, right? Which means if the price goes down to that number, we're going to get out. That's the risk. The risk is the price minus the stop, right? So you're risking 13 cents per share. The reward is $4.77 per share. So let's say John has $500 for this trade. $500 is going to get you 224 shares of AMC. All right. So his risk is 13 cents per share, and he got 224 shares, right? So his risk is $29.12. His reward is the target minus the current price. So $4.77 times 224 shares, right? So if he hits his target, he's going to have $1,068 in profit plus what he invested. So his account's going to move to $1,568 so he can move on to the next play, right? So this is what I call my whiteboard. So every week I'll set up my whiteboard and I'll tell the Wealth Squad, yo, this is what's on my whiteboard. I might have 7, 8, 9 of these plays going on at once. You know, we're trading. And this is how I do it. I tell everybody in the Wealth Squad, they're going to get a notification like, yo, this is on my whiteboard. Now, in my new course that's about to drop, Whiteboard Magic, I'm going to show you exactly how to find these plays, because we could find plenty other plays that have this type of potential, right? And some that don't have, you know, the potential to give you this type of return, but you can still become very profitable. So if you order the Whiteboard Magic, you pre-order it. It's going to be out before February 5th. And I'll show you exactly how to build up these whiteboards. But for now, you can go in the Wealth Squad. It's $25 a month, and you can get access to the whiteboard plays, right? And Stock Market Gems will teach you all this stuff. All right, so check this out. Here's my Cyber Money deal, right? You could get Stock Market Gems, which is an 1.5-hour video on the stock market. This is very good for beginners. Intro to Options, an 1.5-hour video. Dividend Income Empire, hour video. Six-Figure Side Hustle, Six-Figure Side Hustle is about building physical product brands. For example, I own this watch company, right? Where to contact manufacturers, how to get your logo, how to get your website set up, the apps that you need for your website, how to get traffic to your store, packaging, all that good stuff that you need to build a product brand. Profit King is how to find profitable items to sell. That's a 45-minute video. BOB is how to grow your Instagram. That's a PDF. Twitter Money is a 1-hour video on how to sell digital courses and how to use Twitter to make money, right? So if you want to sell a book or a how-to or a course or a guide or whatever. So all these 7 for $40. It's a one-time payment. You can watch it as many times as you want. You watch it at your own pace. This isn't something that we do live or anything like that. Watch at your own pace. So all this for just $40. That's my deal for today. Go ahead and grab that. And the last thing is you can pre-order my whiteboard magic course. So if you want to learn how to build your own whiteboard, find your own plays, so you can keep making these profitable trades. I'll show you where I'm looking to find these stocks to trade. So Stock Market Gems, I'm telling you how to trade. And now in this whiteboard magic course, I'm going to tell you what to trade. What am I looking for? Where do I look for these stocks? How I hit the same stocks over and over, all that good stuff. You can pre-order this for $30, so it's separate. So there's 3 separate things going on. One is the Wealth Squad, which is a monthly membership. This is where I show everybody what I'm buying, what I'm selling, what I'm trading. And we do education. We do 3 to 5 classes a week. It's all for $25. 2 is the Cyber Money deal. I just went over that, all 7 of my courses for $40. And then the last thing, you can pre-order this whiteboard magic course for $30. It'll be out before February 5th or before, and it's going to show you how to find these